can I lay it down for you? Lay it down, that is what I do. Lay it down here just to show me love. Lay it down, we're gonna take it on up. Say I wanna lay you down, I wanna lay you down today. Lay you down here, and I wanna say my way. Lay it down today, I wanna want to say your name. Lay your name over here, I say today. Say we going up just to go and plant the seed. When I lay you down, I lay you down today. People say we're over here, we showing love. That's why I will lay you down, we get it up. Say can I lay you down when I lay you down my way? When I lay you down, we gonna say today. Lay you down today so we can plant the seed. Lay you down over here, you said we. Say if I lay you down, I'm going to do it fun. I'm doing everything today to with everyone. I wanna say I lay you down, I lay with pride. People's over here today, they cannot hide. We build you up, we fold you up, we lay you down. We hold you up, we hold you down, we lay you down. We say you see when I lay you down. Some people saying I'm over here just to lay you down. Say can I lay you down when I will lay you down? I'm over here, I'm saying now, I lay it down. I'm over here, I say the wall to plant that seed. So now you know it could be just you and me. I lay it down, they say you want, we lay it up. Lay pipe today, you lay what is going up. You lay it down, you going down when you lay for me. Say everybody over here is what I see. Say if I lay it down, I lay it up and I lay in with the flow. Some other people lay it down, they laying for the show. They laying it pipe like every day, laying to the smile. Some people's over there today, some just crack a smile. You laying this, you laying there, you laying with your soul. You laying up people planting seeds so that it will grow. You laying everything today, you use a metaphor. Some people over here today, some still at the door. You laying this, you laying that, some people want to see. You laying this, you laying there, but still I want to be. I'm laying this, I'm laying what? They saying we laying seeds. The seeds are over here today, it's you and me. Say yes, I'm laying every day, some people just scratching dough. The people laying everything, they said they want some more. They laying this, they laying what? They want to plant the seed. Some everybody's over here, you know it's you and me. I'm laying up, I lay you down, I'm laying you for my pride. I'm laying you over here today, I'm seeing what's inside. I'm laying all that people say, you saying I'm every day. Some people turn around the corner trying to come back here today. You laying what you laying seed, that seed so it could grow. Some people want to see some more while you here to knock the door. You kicking in, you getting in, saying you wanna lay with me. Some other people over here, you singing, what are we? You lay it down, I lay it down, we laying with the seed. Some people over here today, they here to lay with me. The metaphor, the other four, they saying we hold it down. We lay it down, the people know, oh yes, we going down. We lay it down, we lay it down. Oh yes, I lay it down. We lay it down. The people say some legs is up now. We lay it down, we lay it down. Some people want to sweat. We lay it down, we lay it down. Oh yes, you know what's next. We plant the seed, that seed will grow, but still you want to see. You want to see that what I see, that with that double E. So now I'm over here today, so when I lay it down, we plant the seed, the people saying, oh yes, I lay it down. I lay it down, you lay it down, oh yes, we get it down. I lay it down, we lay it down, that pipe is going down. I lay it down, you lay it down, we lay it up for you. We lay it down, oh yes, and say, oh yeah, this for all of you. I lay it down.